banana bread. I'm smashing the banana. Crack it and then I'll open the egg. Okay, then 3, 2, 1, go. It's so hot.
And like this.
Oh my gosh, my hand!
That's part of baking, Kuya. It's fine.
I want to wash my hands. I'm mixing the egg and I'm still making a banana bread.
There's the fork. You mix it up.
Just more.
All of it.
Put the brown sugar right here.
Don't dig it. Put it up. Not too close. There you go. Not too close.
Like this.
Okay.
This is melted butter.
Put it up a little bit. Up. So they will see what's that.
Put it in. Now, this is a milk.
Then after you put it here. Put it here. Good job.
It's 8.
Everything. Go. Enough? Enough? Put it up.
Put them together. And this is flour. Everywhere.
Put it all.
This is cinnamon.
More.
Everywhere.
Yeah, hold it. Put it lahat. Lahat. Careful, tatapon. Okay.
Oh my god. It's fine.
It's fine. You're gonna wash your hands.
Now, chocolate chip.
See it.
One, mix it. Oh my gosh.
Go.
This banana bread is good.